guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a get it all done with me video. I will be doing some meal prepping in this video, some healthy meal prepping. Then I will be doing some shopping at Michael's, checking out their fall decor, and then I will also be doing a little bit of laundry today. So let's get into this video. So the first of the video, we're going to be doing some meal prepping, and I'm going to start this meal prepping off by putting some grease, oil, whatever you want to use, in the bottom of a pot, and you're going to use about 1 pound of okra. Put that in a pot. Then you're going to cut you an onion, put your onion in there, and then you're going to pour your garlic powder, onion powder, seasoning, or whatever kind of seasoning you want to use. You're going to pour that in the pot. You're going to stir that, and then you're going to bake it in the oven on 350 degrees. And you're going to keep checking on it every now and then and stirring it until all the slime is out. Now that that's in the oven, we're going to start on our second meal prep, which is going to be a salad with grilled shrimp. So we're going to start the salad off by putting our onions inside of the salad. Then we're going to put our seasoning, stir it up, and then we're going to be sauteing our shrimp. Now I'm going to be cutting up my lettuce while my shrimp is sauteing, and this is like the softer texture lettuce. I forgot what they call this lettuce, but it's the only lettuce that I eat. I don't like the romaine lettuce because it's too hard and crunchy, so I like to get the soft lettuce. So I'm using that, and I'm going to put that in my container. And then I'm going to be adding my tomatoes just chopped up. Then I'm going to be adding my boiled eggs, my cheese, and I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. Shake that up, and then it's ready to be poured onto your plate or in your meal prep bowl. And once your shrimp is all sauteed up, we're going to pour that shrimp inside of our containers, our meal prep containers, and then today I poured mine inside of my bowl because I ate some today, and then I put some off aside for tomorrow. And this is the finished product, and it was so delicious. Now moving on to this okra. Now the okra, all the slime is out of the okra. You're going to add your shrimp to the pot, and then you're going to put that back in the oven and let that shrimp cook down. Okay, so now that the shrimp is cooking in the oven with the okra, I'm going to saute my chicken strips. You can use chicken strips, you can use chicken legs, chicken thighs, whatever you prefer. You're going to brown that up on the stove, and while that's browning up, you're going to check on your food in between that. And my shrimp was already cooked, and all the slime was out of my okra. And so I'm going to remove the okra from the oven, and I'm going to place it on my range stove top. And now I'm adding my chicken that I sauteed, and I am putting that in the pot of okra, and I'm going to be using some tomato paste. And you guys might be like, why is she using tomato paste and it's supposed to be healthy? Well, tomato paste is not that bad. To me, it is healthy because it does not have a lot of calories. It does not have all kind of sodium and all that. It don't have a lot of carbs. So it's basically tomatoes that are dried up or something like that. I don't know. So you're going to add that to your pot with your water, and you're going to let that cook down. And then you're going to add you a little bit of shrimp powder, and it's going to become to a consistency like that. So you're going to let it cook down. You're going to check on it, and then you're going to see that it's a consistency. It's going to be kind of thick, but not too thick and not too watery. And your okra is ready. Now, you guys, this is a meal that I usually cook just like on a regular basis with regular rice, but to make it healthy, I decided to add some brown rice because this meal really is kind of healthy. It is okra, which is a vegetable. So I decided, okay, well, maybe I can make this healthy by just adding chicken and shrimp, and I'll remove the sausages because usually I will put sausages in it, but I did not put it in it, and I was going to use brown rice instead. And there you go, a healthy, delicious Cajun meal. So this was the next day after I decided to warm up my meal prep in a bowl, and it was delicious. And today's video scripture comes from 1 Peter 5, verses 6 through 7. Humble yourselves, therefore, under God's mighty hand, that he may lift you up in due time. Cast all your anxiety on him, because he cares for you.
I know we've been through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other. And I don't know how to stop, but I still love you.
So now we're going to end this video off by getting my laundry done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.
You're not that tough with me, so run away with me. Come home with me tonight. Run away with me. It'd be worth the time.